Hey y'all, so let's do a little Christmas airbrush nail art, and I'm doing this over a matte surface. Now, any of the other videos that you're going to see, because I'm going to make 5 of them, you're going to see it over a matte surface. I do want to say that on a thumb, I was going to put that present, and I ended up hating the idea of doing the present. I thought it didn't go like cohesive with the look, so I just didn't do it. I do have 2 coats of a glitter holographic gel from the chat on the base, and then I hit it with my airbrush matte top coat, which is from Koopa. I'm using a series of One Air Airbrush Paints, my Iwata handpiece, and the Aero Flash paints. Now, I will put the links to everything. I will say this, sometimes it's difficult to get the One Air paints and difficult to get the Aero Flash paints only because they don't come from the USA. And I've seen a lot of people using Golden Flow paints as airbrushing, like to airbrush on nails. And I did contact the company, and I probably will put, I think I could put a little excerpt. I contacted the company because I wanted to find out, just more about their paints, because these ones that I'm using are cosmetic grade, right? And I'm like, in the beginning, did not think it was a thing. But yes, definitely a thing. Either way it go, heard back from Golden Flow. In no uncertain terms are you supposed to be using Golden Flow airbrush paints on nails or anywhere close to skin. They do not recommend it at all. So the hunt for a great airbrush paint in the US has been very difficult. Badger used to have it. They do not anymore. So I'm still looking. I do have the One Air, like I said, linked below, and the Aero Flash paints linked below, and as well as the Stencil Pack. So if you see something that you think could work, go ahead and comment below, and then I'll check it out. But until then, enjoy these beautiful holiday nails that I did with airbrush. Just because, they're really cool. So you see me doing a package. Remember I said I ended up hating the package, and that happens. And because I'm using acrylic airbrush paint, I can just go ahead and wipe that off. No problem. This stencil pack did come with a lot of different holiday style stencils. It's limited edition, so like it's not sold all year round. It's only actually sold the end of November up until like the second week of December, third week of December. And then I'm using some snowflakes here. This is from a different stencil pack, and those snowflakes are also going to be linked below. Pretty easy. It's reusable stencil masking. So what I do with my stencils after I'm done is I just store them in my stencil saver book so that I can just reuse them over and over again, and I don't just have them randomly sticking all sorts of different places. I really like doing airbrush nail art. One, because it's simple. Two, because honestly, it looks really great and it's a fantastic upsell without being mentally labor intensive. Now, I've been trying to tell my students this for a long time. Art is not just from creativity, it's a practice technique. So if you practice the technique over and over again, you'll get better at it. And one of my favorite artists to even highlight is Michelangelo. So Michelangelo did not start painting the Sistine Chapel until he was 34 years old. So 13 years before that, he was just practicing his art, learning, honing his skills, just getting better and better. And then he painted the Sistine Chapel. And that took him 4 years to fully paint everything. And I assure you, the people that he painted in the chapel when he first started are probably not as good as the ones that he painted when he was finishing up. Because he still had 4 years of repetition painting over and over again and solving different problems and changing his technique in order to get different effects. So that's why I try to encourage everybody to do nail art, but more importantly, airbrush nail art, because it's so easy. The payoff is great, and it's a technique that you can master. Notice how I said it's a technique, because it's literally a technique. Okay, so this is the final look. Stay tuned for the next video.